Welcome! Today I'm going to be making a barbed arrowhead. Let's just get straight into it. What I've done here is I've used a cross peen to spread it and then curve-faced hammer just to even out all of those cross peen marks. I'm now going to take an angle grinder to it and just refine the profile and get it cut down to the size that we need for the socket. Like I've done in previous videos, I'm going to use a pointed 10mm bar just to begin that socket at the very point of the cone. I find that this just helps to make it easier to roll it up as it helps to begin the socket. You want to work from the point of the cone to the end, not the end in, as it'll just get messy really. Anyway, let's get on with it. If you can see that, I think you can. There's a little crack there on the socket. So this one's going to go in the scrap and I'm going to start again. But I won't show you it, I'll just get back to this stage and then we'll go from there. New socket's all done, time to cut it off. So I've spread this out now into a sort of leaf or spade shape. I'm now going to take an angle grinder to it and hopefully we've got enough material to cut in these barbs here. That's it. These arrowheads look rather deadly. You know, they were used at some point during history. I can't remember when, but there's a sort of saying. There's a lot of dispute on whether it's true or not, but there's a saying about how soldiers would use feathers. So they put a feather, if they were shot with one of these sort of barbed arrowheads, they would then put a feather over the barb so that you could pull it out. I don't know if that's if that's actually true or not. I've heard it before, although they said, I can't remember where, but it's sort of disputed on whether it's true or not. But anyway, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll do more videos on this. I'm thinking about doing a swallowtail arrowhead, which are sort of they're a bit like this but have much longer barbs on, and they were used for hunting traditionally. But I don't know, I'll probably do one of those videos in a little while. So anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.